Sindhu is there with me in biology lab today. So we are trying to do the isolation of DNA, one of the major experiment for the exam, right? So let us see what are the requirements here. So we require a mortar and pestle, okay, and we require a measuring cylinder 100 ml. We require graduated beakers 200 ml and 100 ml. We require a funnel and filter paper, and then gas rods and droppers. Then we require around 100 ml distilled water and around 200 ml even tap water also. And most importantly, if you look into the apparatus, you are seeing this kind of tubes. These are special kind of centrifuge tubes these are plastic ones and with the lid which are specifically used for this particular experiment. Now next upon this, what are the materials, other materials required? We require a banana. If it is a banana, this much one will be enough, and we will be using half of the banana only. We can also extract DNA from tomato also. Ripe tomato, bigger one is okay. If it is medium one, medium ones will be good. Or we can also extract from pumpkin, and if it is pumpkin, then also a ripe one will be required. So here we are using banana, which is very easy to isolate. And next one is we require soap solution, either shampoo or hand wash or anything, but which is soap, because we will be diluting it. So if we are taking 10 ml of shampoo, then we add 90 ml of water to it and make it 100 ml. So this is just meant to adjust the pH. It's going to act like a buffer. And the next one will be requiring chilled one actually, propan-2-ol, but suddenly we are there in the lab. I am trying to use it as it is because it's a winter season, let me see. So we will require chilled methanol or ethanol or isopropyl alcohol, but one thing we will require in the end, right now. So what we will do is, we will take half of this banana and she will try to macerate it. She will try to macerate it using mortar pestle, and little bit she will add water, and she will try to filter it with this. This is also required. She will try to filter with this, and preferably she will take away all the bigger pieces and make it kind of a liquid like thing, not very dilute one but not very thick also, right? And to this she will add equal amount of, suppose she takes 20 ml of this filtrate, she will add around 20 ml of the buffer solution also, and she will take it in this around 30 to 35 ml, and almost equal amount of isopropyl alcohol she has to add in the end. So right now she is going to do that, and when we add isopropyl alcohol or anything, we have to do this. We have to invert the test tube and then do it again. So for that purpose, we will take a graduated test tube like this, centrifuge tube with a stopper, and when we do it, you can actually see that the DNA strands with the protein, DNA will be colorless, but when DNA separates out along with the protein part, okay, then it will be white in color. And when we try to separate the DNA of fruit like banana, you can see half white color bands separating out, which you can take it out with a needle or anything. And when we use tomato, then it will be slightly pinkish color ho aega, and when we use pumpkin, it will be yellow color behind. Now that doesn't mean that DNA is having color. No, actually we are not able to separate out exactly DNA, but DNA along with proteins, it is getting separated out. But we use mostly fruits because fruits have lot of C value. DNA content is more in fruits of plants. So though we can take out even from saliva and other things, it is very difficult to separate out DNA. So we use fruits. Stop it. Pause for it. So Sindhu, little bit add distilled water. Little add color. So that it is easy to do. Now you do it. So that's how you are going to make it, so that it becomes easy to filter through this. So she is trying to take 2 5 ml sachets of shampoo, okay, and mila ke dono it will be 10 ml, and to that she will add 90 ml of tap water, okay, and then make it to 100 ml. The proportion. So in the by chance if you have a 5 ml packet only, then उस हिसाब से आपको उसको 45 ml water add करके 50 ml बनाना है, because we should have a buffer solution which is diluted to a large extent, वो नहीं करना है. So ये 10 ml है, इसीलिए 90 ml add करके 100 ml बनाना है. 5 ml है तो 45 ml add करके 50 ml बनाना है ना? You have to make it. Measure करो. So she is measuring 90 ml water, tap water. Exact 90 ml measure करो. ज़्यादा dilution नहीं करना. So these are some of the precautions also. Yeah. If you, when you are so when you are taking the measurements and all, you should be precise there. And when she was doing also mortar pestle, when she was trying to grind also, if you grind it too much, then DNA pieces will break. Okay, and you will not get a thread. That is a precautionary measure. At the same time, if you add too much of water also, you will not be able to isolate DNA properly. So now mix it with the glass rod. Stir it with the glass rod. So your 100 ml, your buffer solution is ready. अच्छे से घुमाओ. 100 ml buffer solution is ready. Now what you have to do is you have to take that and filter through the channel. इसे filter करो. फिल्टर करके थोड़ा ज़्यादा ही फिल्टर करके रखो, बट वी विल नॉट यूज ऑल द फिल्ट्रेट, बट एक दो बार करने के लिए यूज करके रखो. बिगर वन. इसमें क्या है, आपको यू टेक वन मोर ग्लास रॉड लो. ग्लास रॉड से थोड़ा घुमाओ, नीचे आता रहेगा. ग्लास रॉड से घुमाओ. कुछ नहीं आ रहा. थोड़ा पानी ऐड करो. दिस सो ऐसे घुमाओ एंड देन यू टेक द दिस वन. थोड़ा उसको घुमाओ. लाइक दिस बबल ऐड करो. So this is around 20 ml of the lysate she has taken after shearing the banana, and she is now going to take, this is a 100 ml lysate buffer which she has prepared using 10 ml shampoo and 90 ml water. So 10 ml of this lysate buffer will be added to 10 ml of this filtrate. 10 and 10 to make 20 ml. Now this is called as a falcon tube. This is actually called as a falcon tube. So she will add 10 ml of this and 10 ml of this. Add measure करो and then add to this. इसको क्या करेंगे, इसमें रखेंगे. Take the falcon tube. And 10 ml of this. 10 ml to the falcon tube here. It will stand better, but not it will stand, but you have to be careful. And this is a assured experiment. So if everything goes well, then this experiment you will not be able to isolate. बोल के सवाल ही नहीं है, you will get. But only that some precautions you need to follow. I'll tell you one very interesting thing. One student got, I insist children to get the shampoo packets. One student got conditioner for the exam. So conditioner से तो experiment नहीं आएगा. It has to be a shampoo soap solution, either a hand wash or anything, right? थोड़ा उसको शेक करो, थोड़ा शेक करो, ऐसे घुमाओ. Don't shake in the sense, don't rigorously shake. Yes. हाँ, good. हाँ. So ये हुआ हमारा almost 10 and 10 20 ml, right? Little less. So what we will do is, जो ठंडा, actually we are supposed to add chilled methanol. तो इसके लिए on the day of CBSE exam हम alcohol को refrigerate में रखते हैं. But अभी accidentally we have planned. So I am not able to keep it in the refrigerator, but it is already winter, so this is cool little bit. So let me try out with this. What you have to do is, you add this is free, right? So 10 ml of this, इसमें add करके carefully add to that. We will try out. If it doesn't come also, you need not worry, because it will definitely come with chilled. अभी ये chilled condition में नहीं है. Shall I use a dropper? हाँ, better use a dropper. Better. Don't do anything else. So this is methanol. Good. You will isopropyl alcohol, butanol also. Any alcohol will do. Bottles अलग अलग करने पड़ते हैं. Plastic तो मार्बल है. not local. Bottle नहीं होती. कितना हुई है? Yeah, good. Function, a few drops you add. Because here we have to be specific. How much we are going to add. I said 10, 10 and 10. There is a Falcon tube which is around 50 ml only. So I said 10, 10, 10, but one student has taken 25, 25, 50 and then could add the other 25 of this particular isopropyl alcohol on the day of the exam. So you have to be careful with these things.
Pen drive.
And थोड़ा standing कर. And nothing will happen. Nothing will happen. अभी क्या करो? ढक्कन लगाओ. टाइट लगाओ ढक्कन. Yeah, good. You are able to get some separating out here. पहले तो ऐसा नहीं था ना? Yeah. Because you have this filter.
Yes, ma'am. You are trying to
No, not necessarily. You are able to get it already. Already separating out. You are able to see a separation. Layer is separating out.
Yes, ma'am. Dark and light layer.
Dark and light. Yes. The lead bands are having DNA. You take a close up of that.
Right, one pick. Right, ma'am. Fine.
Yeah.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
what happens is, this is the filtrate. You can take a close up of this. The filtrate is like this. Okay. Filtrate will
Yes,
be
ma'am.
like this. Okay. इसमें because we have filtered it, we don't have any large particles. But yes, very nice. You are able to see two separate layers forming. आराम से, है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
Because it is winter, it was a successful experiment. I couldn't use the chilled methanol also. Directly I have taken from the bottle and this now और थोड़ा वेट करेंगे तो और अच्छे से सेपरेशन हो रहा है. You see, ऊपर एक लेयर सेपरेट हो रहा है ना? है ना? दिख रहा है. That is what is your DNA. और थोड़ा वेट करने से 2-3 मिनट वेट करने से आराम से सेपरेट हो जाएगा. ना नीडल తీసుకురా. Needle ले. Be careful now. So I am able to take out large loops of DNA like this. Trust పట్టిపోయినా పర్లేదు తీసుకొని చెప్తాను. Because I can show small pieces. దీంట్లో ఇది లా ఉంది కదా. This is thicker one. So नहीं दिखेगा. If I can separate out small fragments of DNA from this, then it will be they'll be satisfied कि बनाना ऐसा नहीं था ना. अभी ये ऐसा होगा. हाँ. Sure, no problem. Trusted क्या बात है? Trusted take हो गया, very good. एक हो गया तो भी कोई दिक्कत नहीं. Yes. Okay. इसको Can you take a close up on this?
1 minute.
So So now you can show it as it goes. It gets separated out. It forms the DNA forms a separate layer like this. You are able to see, children, a white color, different colored layer separating out from the banana, and this is how DNA gets separated as large loops.
Yes, ma'am. Fine.
Right? Okay. You are satisfied with the experiment?